Yo, what's going on, guys? So today in this video, I'm going to show you to get free money in Cash App 2026. So this works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So if you want to get free money on Cash App, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to download this modded version. All right, so I'm going to open up the Cash App just so you guys can see. So it's super dumb, but as you can see, I'm low balance, right? But when I press this, I can actually add $200. So I just pressed on it. So now the money's going to go up, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Cash App mod so you can get unlimited money too. So let's see if it starts increasing, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, it says like finalizing. So now the money should be in my account. So let's see if this goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, there's the money. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Cash App mod so you can get unlimited money. So this is super cool. So go to this site and then find the Cash App, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So at the end, it's going to say missing files. So I just got to download some of these. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9, Mo Casino, Reco Social, which says download and play 1 game. So yeah, you just want to make sure you do 2 of these and then you should be good to go. So like the Travel Town one is pretty easy. It's a game. You just got to reach level 9. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these and you're going to be all set. So that's how I get free money, guys. Super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, you can get free money on the Cash Apps. This is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.